Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to update you on the box that I made to hide your power strips. I added what's called a grommet to the end of them. I think this gives it a more complete look, makes it look a little more professional, as you can see. In the first video, I showed you how you can take a simple Booker's bourbon box, drill a hole on the side, then use it to store your power strip and cords. This type of cord control looked good, but it still felt like the box was missing something until now. Again, they're called grommets. They come in different sizes. You can buy ½ inch, 1 inch, 1.5 or 2 inches. You buy them depending on the size of the hole that you made on your boxes, and then you pretty much just use this to put it on the ends and give it a more professional, sleek look. But I hope you guys try this out. So far I'm loving it. I actually got this idea from a YouTuber named Jeremy Sires. He does a lot of stuff, and I saw that he was using this on his desk actually. They're called desk grommets because you can actually make a hole in your desk, put these on so that when the wires come out, it looks a little more neater, which I kind of like also. But yeah, there's plenty of uses for these. This little thing makes the boxes look a little much better. Anyway, that's it guys. I hope you like it. I hope you're taking advantage of hiding your power cords and your power strip, all that stuff, making it look nice and neat. And I'll keep trying to come up with ideas for you guys. See you soon. Bye.